What are you making, Jack?
Blueberry muffins, I think.
Oh, yeah.
We put some. That one's pretty full. Why don't you put some in the other one? Do you want me to turn it?
Spin around. Are you eating it? That looks pretty good. Are we gonna have those for breakfast? Good. Do you make a lot of blueberry muffins? Yeah. That one's totally empty. I don't know, you might run out of dough, Jack.
What dough?
Batter. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.